In this video, we are going to explore tips, keyboard shortcuts, and settings that can help make Windows 10 easier to use. Keyboard shortcuts help us with ergonomics and productivity. Here's a list of helpful keyboard shortcuts. Look for the Windows key near the spacebar. Press the Windows key once to quickly access the Start menu. Press it again to hide the Start menu. To open the File Explorer, press and hold the Windows key and the letter E. Do you have a few programs open? Press and hold the Windows key with the letter D to quickly minimize all your open programs. Do you need to step away from your desk? The Windows key and the letter L locks your computer. Use the Windows key and the right or left arrow on your keyboard for a split view of your open apps. Try the Windows key and the letter H to enable the speech-to-text feature. This dictation feature can help staff with typing and gathering ideas. Press the Windows key and the letter S to start searching for files, settings, and software. Press the Windows key and the Tab key to access Task View. You'll be able to see all your open programs and create a second desktop. We can make icons easier to see by increasing the size or changing its appearance. To increase the size of your desktop icons and taskbar, right-click on the desktop, select Display Settings, and make a change in scale and layout. To change the size of your mouse cursor, search for Mouse Settings, change the pointer size. This could help your audience if you're leading a presentation or a class. Microsoft Edge is the new internet browser for Windows 10. Its icon is a blue letter E. You can still use Internet Explorer, Firefox, or Chrome on Windows 10. On Edge, look for the three dots on the right corner to make changes to settings. If you're reading an article, you can change the appearance of the text by clicking on the Open Book icon. This could help alleviate eye strain.